Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I make videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I thought it'd be fun to do a weekend in my life vlog. I haven't vlogged since Vlogmas and I seriously miss it so much. I've missed like bringing you guys along with me throughout the day and everything, and I thought I could just bring you guys along with me for the whole weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new. Anyways, I just finished editing my video for tomorrow, but you guys will have already seen this by the time this video is up, and it's so cute. I think you guys are going to really like it. If you guys haven't watched it yet, go like, I'll have a card so you can go watch it. It's really cute. It's about my favorites for the month. And anyways, I finished doing that. It's around like 4 o'clock now. I've been editing for like the past like 2-3 hours, to be quite honest. I just got dressed, so I'm going to show you guys my outfit in a minute. And earlier this morning when I woke up, I honestly slept in. That's why it's so late. But I did my bikini body guide by Kayla Itness. It was week 3, arm day. Got that done. So it's arms and abs. My arms honestly feel like noodles right now. Like this arm holding up the camera. Woo, it's shaking. But I love the program so far. I just think it's really fun. I'm curious if you guys have started it as well, because I know Kayla's hosting a 12-week challenge, like where you guys all do it together. I honestly started like a week before that, so I'm like, I'm not going back another week. So I am curious if you guys are doing it. It's a really great program. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out if you have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm just going to show you guys my outfit, and then I'm going to bring you guys along with me for a few errands I'm going to be running. Oh, by the way, isn't this necklace just so cute? So this is the one I got in France, and then I just found this in like my jewelry section up there. I honestly forgot I had it, but I was like, 2 little hearts, that's cute. I'm so ready for Valentine's Day, you guys. I'm pumped. I got my pink on, pink arm candy. It's gonna be great. Okay guys, so this is the outfit of the day. Sorry it's so dark over here. There's like no lighting in this corner of my room. But anyways, I just have on this baby pink Vineyard Vines t-shirt. It's like one of their plain solid shirts, but I love it. It's a great basic to have. And then I just have on my Abercrombie high-rise jeans, but I love them because they have this super cute ripped up knees, and I feel like it just adds like a little bit of extraness to this outfit. And then I just have my little booties from Nordstrom. Okay, so this lighting's a little bit better. I have my ring light, but that is just what I'm wearing today. I feel like this shirt is just so soft. It's so cute. I'm so ready for like February and wearing all pink. If you guys haven't been following me for a while, the past 2 years, for the 14 days of February, I have been wearing all pink outfits, so be prepared for that. I'm so excited. Pink is my favorite color, and I just love being able to wear pink. Like, I wear it all the time, but it's like fun because I have a reason to wear it, you know what I mean? But it is like a chill makeup day just because my skin's breaking out a little bit today. I don't know why. I like low-key kind of think it's because I put self-tanner on for the first time in like a month, so my face is kind of like, what are you doing, you know? But so I just have on mascara, some highlight, a little bit of concealer, and my chapstick, so it's a very low-key makeup day. I blow-dried my hair after my shower from working out, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for my errands that I'm gonna be running, and yeah, I'm so excited. We're on the way to Target. What's new? I feel like I'm always on the way to Target, but you know, it's okay. I love Target. Got my winter coat on, but I think it's like 50 degrees out, so it's very nice because it's warm. And I'm doing a photo shoot tomorrow, which will be so nice because it'll be like warmer, but there's still a little bit of snow. So I'm super excited because my Instagram feed, the winter theme is still on. But I'll update you guys once we get to Target. Okay guys, so we just left Target. We got some like beauty supplies. I'll show you guys when I get home because I have a few packages that I got in the mail today as well that I want to share with you too. So it'll be like a little mini haul, which I feel like I haven't filmed a haul in forever. So I'm super excited about that. But we're gonna run into like the grocery store because I need to get some like protein shakes and stuff. And you guys know I drink protein shakes every day for breakfast, and I just am out of them. So I'm gonna pick some up right now, and I like to go to this certain grocery store to get them. But I'll bring you guys along with me. Okay guys, so I just got back from running a few errands, and I wanted to show you guys in like a little mini haul of what I got because I did get some stuff in the mail today as well. So I'm going to set you guys down on a tripod and I'm going to show you guys. I'm so excited. I have all my stuff to share with you guys for my little haul. I put a little headband in my hair just because my hair is like falling into my face all of a sudden, but it's okay. And I feel like I haven't sat down and filmed a haul, and even though this is like a vlog version of a haul, it feels like good to be doing this again. I seriously miss filming hauls. They're so much fun. So I got 2 packages in the mail today. So I got a package from Romway, which I'm going to show you guys what I got, and I'll have it linked down below because they're super cute. And I was like thinking like, okay, what can I pick out for spring? And I found this adorable yellow dress, and it's like scalloped, and it's like the J. Crew dress that they had a while back with the scallops on it. I think it's gonna be so cute and so fun for spring. It'll be perfect for like Easter and everything. I just absolutely love it. It's so cute, and it's got the scallop on the bottom, which is just so darling. I'm so excited to be wearing that. And then I also picked up another dress, which I love because it has this blue and white embroidery on it, which I think blue and white is so much fun to wear in the summertime. And I had that two-piece outfit from last summer that I wore all the time, so this is so cute. I feel like it's gonna be a new favorite because it has this gorgeous neckline, which I always feel like makes my shoulders look really good when I wear like these kind of necklines. But it's just this really fun blue swing dress, and it has really cute detailing on the bottom, and it's just like this really cute embroidery on the top, and then the back it ties with these two ribbons. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this a ton this summer. Then I picked out 2 items from Shein, and I actually have this in a different color. I liked it that much that I'm like, okay, I want to get it in light gray. So this is a sweater dress. It's just like a swing dress. It's gray. It's very cute. You can kind of easily wear it with a ton of different things. You can put like an Oxford underneath. You can wear it with this. I just love it. It's so fun. It's perfect for like the beginning of spring, fall, winter, you know, you can wear it a ton. And then I picked up this green vest, which I love vests. I honestly own quite a few of them now, but this one is so unique because I don't have a green one like this, but it reminds me so much of the J. Crew one with the gold hardware and everything. It's awesome. I do wear a size small in J. Crew vest, and this one I got a size medium just because I picked up another vest from them last time and I got it small. Kind of small. This one's still kind of small, so I would probably size up. I got this in a medium. I honestly could probably like it in a large, but I do wear the small in the J. Crew just as a size reference. But I really like this. I think it's so fun, and it's like such a pretty thing, so I love that. Then I just went to Target. I love Target, and I picked up a few things. They're kind of random, but they're all beauty. So I picked up some Ezzy top coat for my nails. And a lot of you guys do know I paint my nails myself. These are like red. I think they're so pretty. I use the Ezzy base coat, then 2 coats of the color that I'm using, and then the Ezzy top coat. I think it really makes a big difference. Like, I notice they're like shinier, they don't chip as easily and everything, so I really like that. But for whatever reason, I bought all my like nail polish at the same time last time, and the top coat is just like empty. So I'm like, okay, whatever, I'll just buy some more top coat. And then I picked up some Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which this is a great concealer, especially for days like today where I'm just wearing like mascara, concealer, and highlight. Great, super inexpensive, which I love. And then the last thing I picked up was the L'Oreal Paris self-tanning lotion, and I like this a lot. I've used it before. I currently am wearing this right now. This is the self-tanner that I have on. I like it. It kind of adds like a little glitter to your skin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my skin is very sparkly right now. And it only comes in the shade medium, but I have the Saint Tropez tanner and I absolutely love it, but it's a little too dark right now just because I'm so pale, and it's like not really like, I'm not naturally tan right now, that it just like looks odd, and it is really expensive. I'm like, I don't want to use it until summer, so I picked this up. It was only $10, which I thought was a great price. And then I did go to the grocery store and bought some protein drinks. So I have been drinking the Premier protein, and I absolutely love this stuff. I drink it for breakfast. I like the chocolate flavor. These are great because it's 30 grams of protein, which is a ton of protein, and it's only 160 calories, so it's really low cal for the amount of protein in it, which I love. And I picked it up in vanilla as well because that was the last chocolate that they had, which was so sad. But I like the vanilla too. It's pretty good. Same proteins and everything in it, which is awesome. And then I've been trying these meal bars, and these are by Atkins, and these are the chocolate chip cookie dough. It has 13 grams of protein. I've been really trying to get my protein intake like higher just because I'm doing Orangetheory 5 times a week, and I'm doing the Kayla Itness Bikini Body Guide. And your muscles, it helps if you have protein because it kind of makes the soreness go away. And then I picked up one more. I picked up the chocolate peanut butter bar, which these sound so good, and they have 16 grams of protein in it, which is so awesome. So that is everything that I picked up and what I got in the mail today, so I was super excited to share that with you guys. Okay guys, I'm on my way to see Maylise, and I I haven't seen her since before Christmas, which is so crazy. She went out to California and then she went to Mexico, I think. But oh my gosh, I haven't seen her in forever and I seriously can't wait to see her. We have so much to talk about. I'm so excited. And I just threw on this Lily Pulitzer like tracksuit sweatshirt because it's 44 degrees out, which is kind of chilly, but you know, when it's been freezing for the past 2 weeks, it feels pretty warm. But I'm just super excited. She doesn't know I'm vlogging too, by the way, which is funny. So excited. Okay, let me text her that I'm here. Oh my gosh, that truck, I literally thought it was gonna hit me. What the heck? Okay, I told her I'm here. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look how my skin. You made me blush, Kelly. Okay, bye guys. How cute Melissa's puppy is. Hello little puppy. Are you so cute? Okay guys, so I just got home. It's like around midnight. Everyone at my house is sleeping, so it's really quiet. So I'm just like trying to be really quiet in my room as well so I don't wake anyone up. And I have to wake up, I think, at 7:30 tomorrow for my Orangetheory class because I have an 8:30 class and I like to like wake up a little bit before. So that is the game plan. I need to get like my workout clothes out and everything so that I can just like get dressed in the morning. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me tomorrow as well. I just thought that'd be fun. And it's been such a great day and everything. I feel like I haven't seen my Elise forever. And we were like, when did we see each other last? And it was before Christmas because she left to go to Mexico and everything. So I haven't seen her since like a solid month. And like, I don't know about you guys, but like if you don't get to see your BFF every day, like sure you text and like call each other and stuff, but there's just like a difference between seeing them in real life and everything. And I'm just so blessed to have such a great friend. And but we had so many funny stories to talk about and everything. And her dog is so cute. I love her dog. Anyways, I need to get to bed. I'm probably gonna brush my teeth and put my pajamas on and just like crash. I'm so exhausted. Even though I did sleep in today, I'm just like really tired. That bikini body guide is like kicking my butt. I'm like exhausted every night and everything. I'm ready for bed and I'm just so grateful, you guys. You guys are seriously so awesome. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and everything. You guys are amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to stop talking to this and get to bed. Good morning, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great day so far, even though you guys are probably watching this on Monday, but I hope you guys are still having a great day. So today I woke up, it's 8:20 right now. I'm in the car on the way to the gym, but I woke up at 7:45. I hit snooze. I'm so exhausted, but I'm so excited for this workout because I haven't been to Orangetheory since Thursday and I just miss it. They're just so much fun that I like seriously love going, but it is so cold. It's like 45 degrees out and I don't know what I was thinking. I just walked out of my house without getting a winter coat, but like my winter coat was literally right by the door and I was like, oh, it's fine, I don't need it. It's pretty cold. But it's okay. I'm almost there. I got like 5 minutes and it's just so chilly, but I'm listening to my Spotify playlist. It's really good. I listen to the one that's called Speed. My Spotify's Kelly Two Wise Tomlinson, if you guys don't know that. But my Speed playlist is like my workout slash like pump up music and I just love it. It's so like fun to listen to. And if you guys have any songs that you like to listen to while you work out, let me know in the comments down below because I'm always looking for new music to listen to while I'm working out and it's just helpful. But I'd love to add to my playlist and everything. Really cool. I'm super excited to start running or something like to warm up. But yeah, and I'm listening to my playlist right now and I'll update you guys when I get to the gym. Got to the gym, I got my heat on in my car, and my makeup is actually like left over from last night, so I still have a little bit of mascara on. It's just because I didn't take my makeup off last night because living on the wild side. So I'm just gonna go work out. I'll update you guys after. I'm trying to do a little bit more fitness related videos because a lot of you guys have been asking for that. I just don't know what kind of fitness related videos you want to see, so if you have any suggestions, be sure to comment those down below because I like sharing my fitness journey with you guys. I'm just not sure what you guys want to see, especially just because I have been going in Orangetheory, so it's like I don't really film in there or anything. So let me know down below. And I took a little video of my outfit. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have the video right here. Hey guys, so this is just what I'm wearing to the gym this morning. I have on this neon yellow Nike Pro tank top, Nike sports bra, and these Nike leggings that I'm obsessed with. They're so cute, but they're my most comfortable ones, and they have like mesh on the back of the leg. And then I just have my Nike socks on. But I'm just gonna go in and do my workout. I'm super excited. I've been burning so many calories lately, which is awesome, but I'll keep you guys updated when I'm done. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, that was such a great workout. So I'm on my way home right now. I just left Orangetheory. I burned like 600 calories. It was crazy awesome. It was such a great workout, and we did 10-minute blocks, which was so awesome because we weren't on the treadmill for like a solid 30 minutes, which I honestly don't really mind being on a treadmill that long because I like running, but it does get like kind of, not boring, but like it's hard, you know, it's like challenging to be on the treadmill for 30 minutes running. So we did 10-minute blocks. So I started off on the rower. We would do a 750 meter row, and then we did like the 3 weighted exercises that the trainer would like instruct us to do, and we did that for a solid 10 minutes, but we only did the row once. And then we did a 10-minute run on the treadmill, and we kept going back and forth for the whole hour like that. And I had the fastest time on the rower for the 750 meter like sprint, which was so exciting because my rowing, like I'm getting stronger at it, I guess. So I did that in 2 minutes and 36 seconds. I'm 6 seconds away from being an elite rower at the Orangetheory. But it was really fun, and I ran over like 2 miles today, so that's like just a great start for today. I'm like so energized right now. I'm gonna go home and drink my protein shake. I have to finish uploading my YouTube video for today, but I have to finish doing that, and then I have to get all dolled up because I'm doing a photo shoot for Instagram today. I got some new stuff to show you. I'm super excited. It's gonna be such a great day. Just finished getting my video uploaded. I should have done this last night, but it's okay. So I got that up, so I'm just gonna cake my face because I'm gonna go do that photo shoot like I said. And I drank a protein shake for breakfast. I actually had a vanilla one. I keep them up in my room, and I just grab them after my workout in the morning when I like go shower and everything. But a lot of you guys have been asking what I drink as like a protein drink, and I mentioned it earlier in this video, but I just drink the Premier protein. It's great for your muscles, for repairing them after working out and everything, so I really like those. So that is the game plan. I'll update you guys once I'm all dolled up. It's like 50 degrees, perfect weather for our photo shoot. There's still snow, but it's all melting. So I kind of did like a rainy day spring outfit idea, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. We just finished up our photo shoot. It's around like 2:15, and I'm like kind of want to go like eat something, so I'll probably have like an apple or something when I get home. But it was a really fun photo shoot. I'm super excited for you guys to see the Instagram pictures. Again, check out my Instagram. It's at Kellyprepster. I post a ton, and I do weekly sticker giveaways, so you guys should definitely check that out. And it's just, I'm so excited to edit them. They're very cute, and I have a fun video for you guys later this week with it. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, so I just got home a little bit ago, and I've been sitting at my desk for the past like hour just working on this vlog. It's kind of a long vlog. Usually I only do 1-day vlogs, so this is brand new for me. I've never done a weekend in my life vlog. So be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you like this, or give it a thumbs up if you guys want me to keep making vlogs, because I really enjoy making them. I think they're so much fun to bring you guys along with me and everything. I've had a great weekend. It's been very chill, but it's been a lot of fun as well. So I hope you guys had a great weekend as well, and let's just make this week great. I'm super excited. I think it's going to be a great week. Let's make it a great week, you know. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.